Hi, friend. Welcome to a like better channel. So this part I want to show you how to select record from the database with the Ajax without a load page. Yes, this is that I want to select from the database and show records on the form pop-up without the loads. Okay. And this time I want to show you with only select, and this time I want to show you as with the update records, because when we update records already on the database backend, mean that we want to refresh the rows with the current that we want to update, because I don't want to reload page over and over again. Do you know already why we use a jack? Because we want to we don't want to reload the page over and over again. So then we use the jack like this. Okay, right now we go to the create the pop-up with the your style CS or with the my style. Okay, this is the my style from pop-up that I input name popup.cs. You can write like this. Yes. Okay, you can write, and this is the anymore with the form of up full form. Okay, when we create the form pop-up, yes, when we create the form pop-up already, you can include into the list.php that I show you already on the part 16. Yeah, part 16. You can to see that I show you already reload list. Okay, right now we include the form pop-ups. It's from the popup.cs like this, and then the below table. Yes, we want to the right CS class that we want to call, but I don't want to write. Okay, this is the form pop-up that I write. Okay, you can write by yourself like this if you use the my class popup .cs. Because when we write the already, I want to create the script function close form. Okay, we go to create the scripts. Yes, we create the script that we want to close form. Okay, close form. Okay, so we create like this. Okay, this is the touch value that I don't want to write over and over again as with the element of ID when I call into the ID here, last name and the first name. So I create a function when I call the data from the database. Okay, yes, when I write already, I want to refresh. So you can click and the form pop up show here. Okay, and click yes. So we go to the form pop-ups as a list form, and I want to create a function edit and the ID. Okay, you can call the like this with the pop-up ID. Yes, the pop-up ID refer to the pop-up ID here. Yes, when I click the function on the edit, so I want to copy here. Okay, I copy here and I go to the gasoline.php in the 16 part. So I use on clicks. Yeah, we want to call the form pop-ups. So we use the value parameters. Yes, and I go to the form again. I want to refresh, so I click, mean that the form pop-up show here, but the data that is not yet to show. So we go to the create, we go to the list.php again, and I want to create the Ajax to call data. Okay, to call data, that we want to create the object. We create the JSON ID. Okay, right now we use the string jquery to convert to the JSON object. Okay, data JSON.stringify. So we use the object, and we want to the ID. Then we want to show the pop-ups. Okay, and I want to do cards. So we use the Ajax. HTTP new query state chain. And this status. Status when we click the sections, and we show the pop-up here like this. And then I want to convert to the JSON from the database. For example, we use the data JSON dot pass from the database. This dot response. Okay, so right now when we want to show the data, when we click the edit and show the data into the first name, last name, and email right now. So I call the function like this. Okay, this is the function that I want to create. So we use here, and we call the ID, first name, and data, first name. Okay, right now I want to copy here. We use the ID. Yeah, this is the ID referred to the ID here that I create the hidden touch, and the first name and last name, emails. Okay, so when I create already, okay, when we create, okay, so we create already, and close here, we call the http html dot open. So we use the push and your slash dot php. Yes, set request and content types, application, dot send, data. Okay, data that we want to call with the parameter with the JSON stringifies. Okay, this is the data that we want to send. Yes, when we create already, so we want to create the select.php. Yeah, we want to check code in codes and value result. We want to convert to the JSON in codes. Okay, right now we create your select.php already. Right now we go to the browser. I want to run. Okay, we click the edit. So the value so here. Okay, call is with the current row, for example number 5 as a bedroom string and click. Okay, call it like this. Okay, right now I want to finish this lesson how to select a record using the Ajax, and then we want to show into the pop-up form. And the next time we want to update the record in the database, and then we replace with the current row on the browser. Okay, don't forget to follow me and the next time. And in the last time, I would like you to share, like, and comment, especially subscribe on my channel. Okay, say goodbye everybody. Good luck every time. Bye.